So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be unboxing OnePlus Power Bank. But before unboxing, I would like to thank you guys because we have completed 600 subscribers mark and more than 250k views in just 1 year, and this cannot happen without the support of you guys. So thank you very much and keep supporting. Before unboxing, let's talk about the specifications of the power bank. Let me remove the transparent cover first. And the top we have OnePlus Power Bank 10,000 mAh green branding, and below that we have the picture of the power bank. Sides are completely blank, and at the back we have got some of the specifications of the power bank, such as it supports 18 watts of fast charging, dual USB output, 12-letter security protection, as well as low current mode. So guys, now let's unbox the power bank. Let me cut the seal. So the inner tray slides out like this, and at the top we have a power bank nicely packed in a softest polythene. Let me take out the power bank and show you what other things we got in the box. So below the power bank we have got a red cable plug part which is useless, and a user manual. If you want, you can read this. And we have also got a 2-in-1 signature red color USB cable from OnePlus. So basically the cable is 2-in-1, so you don't need to carry two cables. This only cable can charge your micro USB devices as well as Type-C devices. So these were the things we got in the box. Now let's talk about the build quality of the power bank. So the power bank is made up of plastic. It feels slim and lightweight. It has got a soft touch finish to it and a never settle glossy embossed logo. Because it's soft as plastic, it will attract many scratches with time. Talking about the thickness, it is 1.5 times thick compared to my mobile, but you won't feel as you are holding a power bank because it's so slim. In fact, that it is a 10,000 mAh power bank. At the back we have got some factory information and a OnePlus logo. And at this side we have a Blu-ray running on all the corners. Now let's talk about the ports and buttons available on the power bank. So at the right side we have got a tiny power on button. At the front we have got 4 LED which indicate the battery level, and on the top we have got 2 USB output port and 1 USB Type-C port for charging the power bank. So the power bank takes around 2 hours to completely charge itself from 0 to 100%. Let's check whether the power bank supports dual way charging or not. So yes guys, the power bank supports dual way charging. I don't know why OnePlus hasn't mentioned this feature on their box. Now let's also check the 18-watt fast charging feature. So here I have my Redmi 9 Power which support 18 watt of fast charging. So let's plug it in and see whether it quick charges or not. So guys, as you can see, it is showing quick charging. OnePlus also claims that this power bank has a low current mode. So basically, low current mode is the mode which gives low power when you charge your devices such as your TWS neckband or smart band, which require low power. Low current mode ensures full safety of your devices. The things which I like about this power bank are it's slim and lightweight, it has 2 USB fast charging ports, supports dual way charging, and also has a low current mode. The thing which I don't like about this power bank is that The softest plastic makes it attract a lot of scratches with time, so you need to use it with care. The thing which I would like to say that it is the best power bank that you can get under 1k, and the best buy link is in the description, so check it out. So guys, this was a video on the OnePlus Power Bank. Make sure to give it a like, comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.